Beginning with a mist-drenched coastal lagoon at dawn, a humble Magikarp begins its quiet and ancient journey. In these still waters, it drifts like a forgotten relic, golden scales catching the first light, fins slicing through reeds with gentle, rhythmic pulses. To most, it is nothing more than a fragile fish. But here, in the shifting tides of this lonely shoreline, a mystery is beginning to stir beneath the surface. The Magikarp must survive these waters long enough to grow, or risk becoming prey to a world that sees it as weak, slow, and insignificant. Every ripple could be a threat. Every shadow announces a predator far stronger than it. But nature has carved a different fate into this creature's DNA, a dormant blueprint waiting for the perfect moment to ignite. As the weather shifts, the Magikarp encounters a biological challenge buried deep within its cells. Bioluminescent patterns flicker beneath its skin, nervous pulses ripple through muscle and bone, and the water around it begins to swirl with rising force. This is no ordinary transformation. This is a metabolic storm, triggered by stress, time, and instinct. A metamorphosis nature reveals only in the most unforgiving conditions. The creature's body elongates, scales darken into cobalt and black, and its jaw strengthens into bone-crushing power. What was once fragile now grows monstrous, reshaping itself through an explosive burst of biological engineering. Like a serpent rising from the underworld, the creature ascends toward the surface, larger, fiercer, and driven by an ancient rage. In a violent eruption of water and light, the Gyarados emerges, a colossal apex predator born from the ocean floor. Its armored scales shimmer with storm-lit intensity, its roar splitting the air as lightning flashes across its towering frame. No longer prey, no longer small. This is a creature that has achieved its ultimate goal, unleashing the raw, overwhelming force hidden within its evolution. Its new abilities, brutal strength, serpentine agility, and cavernous power, transform it into a dominant force of the sea. And as it retreats beneath the waves, its massive shadow passing silently under fishing piers and trembling waters, we are left with a simple truth. In nature, strength is not always loud. Sometimes it rests inside the quietest creatures, waiting for the right moment to rise. In conclusion, the journey of Gyarados teaches us that even the most underestimated life forms can harbor unimaginable potential.